In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email ID in Hostinger for the year 2025. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Hostinger, or simply search for it in your search engine. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, it's time to access your account. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that to access the Account drop-down menu. From the menu, locate the Account Information section. This is where all your personal details are stored, and it's the place where you can change your email ID. Click on Account Information to proceed. This will take you to your account details page. Once you're on the Account Information page, scroll down until you find an option labeled Unlink. You will see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to unlink your current email. Click on the Unlink button to confirm your decision. What this does is essentially detach your current email ID, allowing you to replace it with a new one. Now that your email is unlinked, you can proceed to change it. You'll see an editable field or button next to the email label. Click on this to input your new email address. Make sure you double check for any typos or errors. Correctly entering your email is crucial, because a verification step follows this. Once you've entered your new email address, look for a Verify button, usually located nearby. After submitting your new email, Hostinger will send a verification link to the new email address you just inputted. Head over to your email inbox and locate this email, which may take a few minutes to arrive. Be sure to check any spam or junk folders if you can't see it in your inbox. Clicking on the verification link is a necessary step to ensure the security of your account. Once verified, return to the Hostinger interface. You'll most likely find yourself redirected back to the account page. At this point, you'll notice a Continue button or a similar prompt to finalize your changes. Hit Continue to confirm everything you've done so far. This will apply the new settings, and your email ID in Hostinger will have successfully been changed. Congratulations, you've now updated your email ID within Hostinger. Whether you're doing this for added security or to align with your current contact details, ensuring your Hostinger account stays up to date is always a wise choice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.